Chemical drain openers should generally not be used in a clogged toilet as a first resort because they carry significant risks to fixtures and plumbing. Chemical drain openers work by breaking down organic matter with caustic or oxidizing agents, but toilets are different from sinks because they have glazed porcelain, plastic parts, wax seals, and curved trap geometry that trap chemicals and hold heat. If you must try a chemical option, only use enzyme-based cleaners designed for toilets. These use biological enzymes and bacteria to digest organic waste slowly and are safe for most plumbing when used per label instructions. Mechanical methods are faster and more effective for common clogs. Use a flange plunger with firm, controlled thrusts of pressure and suction, maintaining a good seal by packing extra toilet paper around the rim if needed. For deeper or recurring clogs, use a toilet auger with a short teardrop head and flexible shaft inserted gently until resistance is felt. Crank slowly and pull back to retrieve or break up the obstruction while avoiding aggressive force that can crack porcelain. Always wear gloves and eye protection. Ventilate the space by opening a window. And never mix chemicals because toxic gases can form. If you have used a chemical previously, wait and flush thoroughly before attempting mechanical methods to avoid splashes of corrosive residue. When in doubt, call a professional plumber early, rather than risking damage that could cost several $100s or more to repair. Common mistakes include pouring standard chemical drain cleaners into the bowl and letting them sit, which can etch glazing and damage wax seals. The fix is to stop using caustic or oxidizing products and switch to plunging or an enzyme-based product. Another issue is using a sink auger or forcing an auger too aggressively, which can scratch or crack the trap and toilet interior. Instead, use a toilet-specific auger and apply slow, controlled turns. A third problem is attempting DIY chemical and mechanical mixes such as baking soda and vinegar, followed by hot water, which can create foaming or unexpected reactions that make the clog worse. Avoid mixing treatments and proceed stepwise with mechanical clearing before any chemical approach. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and share real project experiences and tips. Our site also helps contractors find work and grow their local presence, and we host an active discussion community where members exchange advice, ask questions, and share solutions.